Elias, where did Raffy go? Where's Raffy? There he is. Can you put him back in his bed? Can you put him back in his bed? No, you have to take him with you. Elias, you have to take Raffy. He's not going to be in there. Where'd Raffy go? There he is. Let me see him. Can you show him to me? There's Raffy. Okay, sleepy time. Aww. Where's Raffy? Elias, where's Raffy? No, he's not in there. Where did he go? Where'd Raffy go? There he is. Aww. Is Raffy tired? Bonk. Choo-choo.